What is it, Luz? Yeah. What is it? Pippi. Her hair. Do you want to dress like Pippi? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Mama,
That's right. Okay, hang on.
I got this. This.
Yeah. All right, hang on. Here, Luce. Hang on. You need scissors. Hang on.
You want to go look in the mirror?
Yeah.
Can you get the light?
What do you think, Luce?